Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Prolactin ELISA test kit 96 well plate. This is the kit. I'll just show you around. This is the bottom, and this is the top. I'll just show you this kit. You can see it says Calbiotech Prolactin ELISA test kit. You get the reference part number, lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date, 96 well plate, the temperature range to be maintained, and it's manufactured in the US. It's a CE IVD certified product. The key contents also given in the box is given. I'm going to unbox this for you. Okay, here you go. There is one IFU brochure. It says Calbiotech Prolactin ELISA test kit. It says Calbiotech Prolactin ELISA kit is used for the quantitative measurement of prolactin in human serum. So this IFU brochure, you can see the contents also mentioned here. You can just quickly take a look here. The key contents is mentioned. It says it talks about the principles of the test, and it talks about your assay sample preparation and assay procedure, and how to interpret your test results, how to calculate your results. You get the complete details in this IFU brochure to complete your test. And further inside you have a certificate analysis. You can see that here there's a catalog number for this kit, and you have the kit name, Prolactin ELISA, and also the lot number. On a standard in this kit, it has this 96 well microbubbles plated coated with the streptavidin, and the prolactin standard 1, prolactin standard 2, standard 3, standard 4, standard 5 and standard 6, and the enzyme conjugate 1 bottle, and the TMB substrate 1 bottle, stop solution 1 bottle, and wash conjugate 1 Protex 1 bottle. This is the certificate of analysis. You can see the certificate of analysis. Just keep it here, and inside you can see there is a 96 well plate pack. Just pull this off out. You can see this here. Streptavidin coated wells, 96 wells, 2 to 8. Over the reference part number. The other side you can see this plain. Inside you can see the liquids inside. I'm just going to show one by one here. And you can see this here. This is wash concentrate 25 ml liquid. You can see the bottle. And then you get TMB substrate 2 to 8 12 ml, and then some red cap bottle, enzyme conjugate 12 ml. You can see the reference part number and also the expiry. The white cap, stop solution 2 to 8 12 ml. Add it. And here you can see there is prolactin standard 1, prolactin standard 2, and here you can see prolactin standard 3, and then you see prolactin standard 4, and here see prolactin standard 5, all 0.5 ml, and prolactin standard 6. This is how the total test kits look like. Today we've seen the unboxing of Calbiotech Prolactin ELISA test kit, and in the 96 well plate kit you get one IFU brochure, one certificate of analysis, one 96 well plate, and the different solutions from the prolactin standard 1 to 6, and you get the enzyme conjugate, TMB substrate, and stop solution and wash concentrate. This is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.